So it looks like we got robins, starlings, cedar waxwings. It looks like they're feeding on that little tree right there. More cool video out here. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Here's some of the park workers over here working on a bench, trying to make things more pretty for us. Compare some of the damage that nature's caused. Anyway, we'll talk at you later. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at all these robins in this tree right here. Robins, and looks like there's a couple of cedar waxwings in there. Other birds, they're in here eating all this fruit off of this tree. You can hear them up in the trees around us. That's really cool. Anyway, some of the cool things you find in the city. You just look around. And we'll catch y'all later.